redoing some chicken and dog fence. So we're gonna have the chickens out here in the poultry netting, the electric fence net. The dogs will be coming up to at least where's the red and white posts are where the fence is gonna be. We'll later fence in a little bit more and more and more, and we'll have these sections we can shut off and let rest in between times when we want to. And yeah, that's what we're doing. If I decide to put this out. Cough, 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 cough. Over, add a little bit more wire, tie them together. But go ahead, you can go through. Come on, it's the opening. So we removed the fence from around the fruit trees. We removed the chicken fence that was right there. And there's a crazy good dude that's happy and jazzed about our new extended fence. How do you like it?
I like it.
Doggies, how you like it?
That's a
Doggies like it. The chickens will love it once they're out here, which will be coming soon. But yeah, we got it going good. Hadn't walked out here since we closed it up or opened it up last night after we fenced it in. And this is quite nice, I believe. Walk all the way down here in a second. Stand in the corner and look out. We gotta clean that all up. We gotta fence that area in, and that's gonna be the garden area. It may go to about, yeah, it was gonna go even with this and just straight back, so the privets are gonna go. We gotta get rid of the privets. Behind there, we'll plant some orchids. This was going to be our high tunnel. Still might decide to fix it up and close it in and be the high tunnel. It won't be that far from the garden area anyway, so it can go into it, so that'll work. And I've got an area right back over there, so you may or may not remember, back by the swing set area. It's up about 6 feet and over about probably 8 feet over, and then there's my asparagus in that area. So they definitely love this. Look at the bud. Alright, Foreman Bud, do you approve? Huh? Okay, coming. Foreman Bud, do you approve? I think he approves. He's finishing up the last round. Now we have a Daisy who's following me because she's happy that I let her in. Grady wanted out, so I had to help show him out. And Bud's still doing the fence inspection. Alright, Bud. How do you think so far? Pretty good? Gotta keep the chickens in and you guys out until we're ready to let y'all in and the chickens are closed up. Yeah? You think so? Alright. Bud approves, Dad.
Yep.
A tail wag approval. You approve, Bud? There's that tail wag approval. Ta-da! Hiya, Bud. Bud, handsome boy. Following me now? Hiya, Sophie girl. Hiya, Nugget. Hiya, Lily. Hi, Ginger. Hi, Huckleberry. Hi, Smooth. Did I miss Grady? Is he somewhere out here? Let's go check out the skate. Hey, I'm going to go this way. All right. Dad's doing some cleanup in the yard, I think. All right, so here's this nifty gate. Well, heck. What'd I do? All right. Unlock. It's a little on the heavy side, but there is a wheel, so you just kind of pull it, lift it a little bit and pull and drag. The handle, we may need to put another handle, but I'm not using the handle right because I'm using one hand. But this is a nice handle right here. But we're all squared in. These are hinges right now. They're more secure down here at the bottom. Bud's done brushed up against it to take some of this fur off. This one needs to be pushed in more. I don't like that. There we go. But the dogs aren't necessarily going to be locked in here, we know. But I'll try the handle here a second. And the wheel's moving. Well, once we get some more of this grass out of the way, it'll move more smoothly and it'll wear through and do its thing. But they can't get through the board. And that kind of locks there, so we got that. There's Mr. Grady. Hi, Grady. You like it over here, huh? Yeah. Let's walk through and see if anybody's over here now. Okay, he put the rabbit thing somewhere, or he lost it. Oh, he still has it. Oh, we're going to try to move the roosters and chickens in that. Got it. Okay. Bink. Go. Bye. I gotta say real quick before I turn the camera or start to record. I was gonna say the underwear is covering it, but not completely. And how do I time lapse it? Oh yeah.